Philippines' air defense systems requires careful planning, strategic considerations, and a comprehensive approach to address the nation's unique security challenges and needs. How the Philippines could approach the installation of air defense systems. Assessment of threats and vulnerabilities. The first step in installing air defense systems is conducting a thorough assessment of the country's air threats and vulnerabilities. This includes identifying potential adversaries, analyzing their air capabilities, and understanding their potential targeting priorities. Additionally, assessing the nation's critical infrastructure, population centers, and military installations is vital to determine the areas that require protection. Defense strategy and objectives. Defining clear defense objectives is crucial to guide the installation of air defense systems. The Philippines should establish its strategic priorities, which may include protecting territorial airspace, critical assets, maritime boundaries, and population centers. Moreover, considering regional security alliances and partnerships can also influence defense objectives. Budgetary planning and resource allocation. Developing a realistic budget and allocating resources are essential for implementing an effective air defense system. The Philippines will need to balance its defense requirements with other national priorities. International cooperation and partnerships may also play a role in resource sharing and cost effectiveness. Selection of air defense systems. Based on the threat assessment and strategic objectives, the Philippines should choose the most suitable air defense systems. The selection may include a mix of surface-to-air missiles, SAMs, anti-aircraft artillery, AAA, air surveillance radars, counter-rocket, artillery, and mortar, CRAM, systems, and integrated air defense networks. Acquisition and procurement. Once the air defense systems have been selected, the Philippines should engage in the acquisition and procurement process. This may involve negotiations with international suppliers, manufacturers, or partnerships with other nations. Transparency, cost-effectiveness, and technology transfer considerations should be key aspects of the procurement process. Technology transfer and indigenous development. To enhance the country's defense capabilities, the Philippines should consider technology transfer agreements, which allow for local production and maintenance of certain air defense systems. Developing indigenous defense capabilities can reduce reliance on foreign suppliers in the long run. Deployment and positioning. Air defense systems should be deployed strategically to cover critical areas effectively. This may involve a mix of fixed and mobile systems positioned in key locations, including major cities, military installations, and sensitive infrastructure. Training and capacity building. Proper training of military personnel is essential for operating and maintaining air defense systems effectively. The Philippines should invest in continuous training programs to ensure that operators are skilled in handling the sophisticated equipment. Coordination and integration. Effective air defense requires coordination and integration among various defense systems, branches of the military, and agencies. Establishing an integrated air defense network will improve the ability to respond to threats and share critical information in real time. International cooperation. The Philippines may consider partnerships with friendly nations and regional security alliances to enhance its air defense capabilities further. Joint military exercises, intelligence sharing, and cooperative defense arrangements can bolster the country's security. Cybersecurity and electronic warfare. In the modern era, protecting air defense systems from cyber threats and electronic warfare is paramount. Robust cybersecurity measures and countermeasures should be integrated into the overall air defense strategy. Public awareness and communication. Communicating the importance of air defense to the public is essential for garnering support and understanding. Public awareness campaigns can foster a sense of national security and build public confidence in the country's defense capabilities. Regular evaluation and updates. Air defense systems should be subject to regular evaluation and updates to adapt to evolving threats and technological advancements. Conducting periodic exercises and simulations will help identify areas for improvement and ensure readiness. Installing air defense systems for the Philippines is a multifaceted and intricate process. It requires a comprehensive and coordinated approach that considers threat assessments, budgetary constraints, technological advancements, and international partnerships. By following a strategic and well-planned approach, the Philippines can enhance its national security and safeguard its airspace and critical assets effectively.